Everyone, okay, so I'm gonna make it as quick as I can. Just a massive thank you. It's been an incredibly humbling experience this past week, reading all the kind comments and messages that you've sent me of support, and just, it has been overwhelming and amazing and wonderful. And thank you so much. You've no idea what it means to me. You've no idea. It's just been insane and incredible and amazing. Also, a big thank you to the brands and the founders of the brands who have reached out to me and offered me immense amount of support as well. You all know who you are. Thank you so much. It's been incredible. So thank you. Thank you. So normal videos will resume. I've got a batch of very short videos that I'm going to post here on YouTube just to get rid of them. Then I'm going to go back to a Tuesday, Friday schedule with the longer base videos because I really have missed doing them. And I'm going to keep the shorter content on Instagram. So if you could follow me on Instagram, I post every day there. That would be really, really nice. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Just thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.